If your Black& Decker portable air conditioner isn't working correctly, the first thing you should try is a full power reset. This simple step fixes many common glitches. Start by turning the unit off using the power button. Once it's completely shut down, unplug it from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes so the internal components can fully discharge and reset. After waiting, plug the unit back in and turn it on. In many cases, this restores normal operation. Also, check the power cord for a built-in safety plug with test and reset buttons. If the reset button has popped out, press it back in to restore power. If resetting doesn't fix the issue, check the display for error codes. These codes help identify specific problems. A code like L usually means the water tank is full and needs draining. LT indicates low temperature protection, which prevents frost buildup and should clear automatically. PF points to a temperature probe issue. Codes such as E1 through E5 often signal thermistor or sensor problems that typically require professional service. If you hear hissing sounds or experience ongoing cooling failure, contact a technician immediately, as this may indicate a refrigerant leak. Regularly cleaning the air filter improves efficiency and prevents many common faults.